Hi, this is Chris Gannon. Just want to show you the editor that I'm building at the moment for 3D motion tracking on HTML5 video. It hasn't got a motion tracker built into the back end yet. It's using stop motion, so it's quite laborious, quite painstaking, but it means that it's ready to have a motion tracker plugged into the back end. Now you've got your element here, which you can place on top of your video, and then you can skew it in 3D sort of perspective, so that it fits nicely onto the plane that you're tracking. And then once you're happy with where it sits, you can just add a marker, and then you can do another little movement, rather like, as I said, stop frame motion tracking. Add a marker, move it a little bit, add a marker. It's got I can do this with keyboard shortcuts as well. As you see, my mouse is not moving, and I can just do these with a keyboard, so it actually makes it a bit quicker. Now this is useful if you want to do some very, very rough tracking. I'll just keep using the keyboards because it's easier. It's not going to be useful if you want to do beautiful, pixel perfect, algorithmic motion tracking. You can turn the splines off so you can see the result of what you're doing. You can stop recording the 3D planes if you want, so you can just get the motion right, the sort of the 2D motion right, and then you can start recording the plane data if you want. And you can increment left and right. Again, these are all plugged into keyboard shortcuts. And you'll notice that at the moment the frames are red, which means there's no keyframes on it. But if I drag back, you'll see that I've added keyframes, and it's sort of it's tracking. Oh, there's a bit of a wobbly one there. Look, see that the V and the E of creative are a bit wobbly, but you can fix that. In fact, I can fix that just by overwriting this keyframe and then add a marker, and you get the gist anyway. When you've finished your motion track, you can export the data and apply it to a player. And then you'll end up with something like this, and we'll play it. I'll just stop that a minute, go back, and you'll notice that this is interactive. As the Porsche I can't afford drives off into the sunset. Anyway, I hope you like that. Cheers.